Now, this deer you got, how did you harvest this deer?
This deer was last fall, and there's a bit of an island we hunt on not far here. It's walking distance.
Okay.
You know, as we camp in the log cabin or whatever there, and that's our son, Lee, and a good friend, Paul.
Okay.
And we get up in the morning, walk down, cross the little old one-lane bridge, go in there and take a boat across the river and get onto the island. It's pretty neat.
Okay.
And it's still dark. And scamper up the hill, and we get into the bush, and we each know where we're gonna go.
Yep.
And I have my spot, and it's kind of neat when I get there. You just scramble around and sit down, and you wait, and it's getting light, and you don't see nothing.
Of course, yeah.
You see nothing.
You starting to hear the morning woods wake up, but
exactly. And it's always the squirrels are first.
Always.
And they're just the squirrels are going nuts.
Yeah.
So, anyways. But I find with deer hunting, and I find that they're almost magical. You don't see them. You're straining your eyeballs. You're looking. You're listening, and suddenly you look, and there they are.
Yeah.
They're looking right at you, and it's like, oh.
And you would think for a big critter like that, they would be stomping, making a whole whack of noise. And more often than not, they are absolutely silent, which is pretty incredible.
I think that's how they survive.
Yeah.
They sure do.
Yeah.
And it's like, and you got to wait till and it was a good sized deer, and he came, and he was not far away at all, maybe 30 yards, something like that. Mm-hmm. And he just kind of was staring at you, and then he'd look this way, and then you
move a little bit.
You move a little bit,
and
then he's looking. Who's that guy?
Yeah.
Whatever. And you know what? But he kind of got in a bad position, and he went a fair ways away.
Okay.
And it's like, oh no, I think I'm going to miss him. Yep. And there he was again. He came out between the trees, and it was a long shot. Mm-hmm. And boy, I dropped him, and I was like, did I shoot that? Because you don't, in the bush here, it's so dense.
Yeah.
You don't seem to get a long shot.
Fair, yeah. And things always happen very quickly when you do have some deer action.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, oh my God. And then after you shoot, it's like black powder, muzzleloader.
Muzzleloader, yeah.
And you can't see. It's like, did I hit him? Did I miss the broadside of a barn or what? But then again, I saw him, and he was down.
Oh, perfect.
So it was a fair length shot, but
no tracking. That always, helps.
No tracking.
When you can see it, go down quickly is great.
And it was good. We cleaned him up, and we had to drag him back to the riverbank, down the cliff, and into the boat, and
do the whole return trip.
Yeah, but you know what? It was celebration at that time.
Of course.
You know how it's like, eh?
Yeah.
You're just so happy. Everybody's smiling. It's all good.
Yeah, you got a deer. I
got a deer.
Something to definitely be happy about. So.